Travel has a lot of happy days. It's mostly fun experiences, lots of smiles, and learning. But the downfalls of travel sometimes outweigh the ups. Like flight delays, getting scammed, and gaining weight. I am not as skinny as I used to be, and definitely in the worst shape of my life. Here was me 3 months ago, and this is me now, 15 pounds heavier and feeling a lot more unhealthy and lazy. This has come as a result of constant jet lag, changing time zones, climates, cuisines, a lack of sanitation, dust is blowing everywhere, I can't see, and in my current case, food poisoning that I picked up in Cambodia. The majority of my meals these days are either airplane food, hotel buffets, or street food. To make things even worse, my bad eating habits are combined with a lack of working out. I have no routine. I do walk 5 to 10K per day and try to hike and play sports whenever possible. Almost finished with the race. But it's just not enough. I've tried to motivate myself a million times to start working out. 100 push-ups in the morning, a few gym classes, but it usually lasts for about a week and impossible to keep up when I fly over an ocean and then I'm busy all day filming. That being said, Deanna and I will be moving to Bangkok next month and we are planning to join a gym and work out every day. I'm gonna take Muay Thai lessons and focus on eating healthy again. This video is not to complain about my travel lifestyle because I wouldn't change it for anything else. I love seeing the world and I have my eyes set on visiting every country, which I'm getting closer and closer. I'm just explaining to you the unseen side of constant travel and some of the health challenges I face on a daily basis. So now I'm gonna open up the floor to you. Do you have any advice to share? I would love to hear about how you maintain a healthy life on the road. I'm Drewbinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.